know, I just want to be happy. I'm happy. Okay, now it's just getting awkward.
I'm so fresh you can suck on my nuts.
Oh my god!
Centipede.
I don't even have my license on.
Oh my god!
This has got turn signals?
Oh my god!
Damn.
So, if you look very closely, Jake is going full squid.
The brakes could be a little bit more, the brakes could... shift out of first gear good, and the launch was a little weak, but you know, having fun on it.
I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. I'm so fresh you can suck my nuts. Sweat.
This bike's fun.
2 hours later?
Oh my god!
Oh no! It's a good way to test someone's bike. It makes you not go too hard.
Thank you, Jake, for letting me making this video. That was fucking amazing. And I just wanna say, please check my videos out. It's down in the description. I make a lot of crazy videos. And also, don't forget to like this video, because that will help Jake a lot. And yeah, so see you guys in my channel. See you guys on my video. What the fuck is going on? I don't even know.